Westmoreland, Cross Plains, Red Boiling Springs, Portland, South Carthage, Orlinda, Mitchellville, Bethpage, Dixon Springs, Oak Grove, Pleasant Shade, and Bledsoe Creek State Park. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 100 and 101, and between mile markers 105 and 120. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The 4 astronauts.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Antioch, or near Nashville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Lebanon, Hendersonville, Smyrna, La Vernie, Mount Juliet, Watertown, Walter Hill, Rural Hill, Melinda City, Auburntown, Green Hill, Las Gases, Tucker's Crossroads, Dickerson Chapel Recreation Area, Cedars of Lebanon State Park, Milton, and Gladeville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 224 and 249. Interstate 24 between mile markers 65 and 67. Interstate 840 between mile markers 57 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Smith County in Middle Tennessee, DeKalb County in Middle Tennessee, East Central Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Van Buren County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Warren County in Middle Tennessee, Eastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, White County in Middle Tennessee, Putnam County in Middle Tennessee, Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Watertown, or 12 miles southwest of Carthage, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Cookeville, McMinnville, Sparta, Smithville, Woodbury, Carthage, Spencer, Algood, Monterey, Watertown, Baxter, Gordonsville, Walter Hill, Hickman, South Carthage, Alexandria, Doyle, Darrelltown, and Liberty. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 244 and 304. Interstate 24 between mile markers 77 and 79. Interstate 840 between mile markers 55 and 57. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.